my channel and welcome back to another vlog, of course. So y'all, it's currently Tuesday. Well, as you can tell by the title, okay, I'm excited. Today's video is prom preparation, like maintenance, get ready with me for prom. So this is all leading up to prom. So it's Tuesday, guys. It's like 10 p.m. and I need to go to sleep. That's why I'm hype, okay? It's 10 p.m. on Tuesday. I have my first appointment tomorrow, which is my lash appointment, period, of course, because I like to let my lashes like sit in, you know how I be. So my lash appointment is first on Wednesday, and I have practice after that. Thursday, I don't have no appointments because I'm going to school, going to practice. Friday, I'm doing like a half day of school, or I might not go to school. Hair appointment, nails, toes. Saturday is prom. Boom, I got my dress altered today, and that was it. I got my shoes. Period. Yeah, I got everything. So tomorrow I'm doing my lash appointment. Y'all gonna come with me. Y'all coming to all my appointments with me in order, and I gotta drop off my wig for the hair appointment Friday. So boom, trying to stay organized. This is gonna help me stay organized for real. But this is the start of the vlog because y'all gonna be getting prom content. Like we got to. So y'all can get 2 videos. I want to do this one, like the maintenance and preparation, and then I want to do like prom weekend because we're gonna be in Galveston. So I'm gonna show y'all like prom, and then like what we do the weekend of prom. Everything. So that's gonna be a whole different video. This is just preparation. It's just like a maintenance vlog, prom edition. Period. Maintenance vlog, prom edition. So actually, I'm about to get ready to go to sleep. Go to school tomorrow, and then y'all will come to me to my lash appointment. And y'all not gonna see me drop off the wig because it ain't nothing but just drop off the wig. But I'm so excited to get this vlog started. But yeah, so get ready to come with me to all my appointments. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the lash appointment now. I got out of school a little early and whatnot. We had to run some errands. But now I'm finna head to my lash appointment. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of content, but y'all, it's about to rain, I'm pretty sure. So rain during my lash appointment, I'm gonna be knocked out. Like I already be knocked out, but if it's raining, I'm gonna be knocked out. So we'll see. I need to make a few TikTok transitions. So like, and I need to add this in my prom transitions because some of them, got the whole 9 going on. But yeah, I'm about to go to my lash appointment. So appointment number 1 of the weekend, of the week or whatever. So come with me. Okay guys, so I'm back for my lash appointment. You already know. Y'all, when I say I love this lash tech, like, so we end up actually doing like the wrong kind of set at first, and I'm actually the client that I like never, like I just be like, oh, it's fine. But she was like, do you like it? Like, making me real comfortable, so we end up getting it right. And now, like, oh, I'm ready for prom right now. But anyway, so that's only appointment number 1 that I'm feeling myself. I need to finish my TikTok transitions, but y'all see it. You already know. I'm gonna put her at, and it should be tagged in my prom pictures because she do her thing every time, okay? Every time I get my lashes done, I just be wanting to like, I just be want to give mysterious looks. But anyways, I actually have to head to practice now. So I'm gonna go home and go to practice, and then y'all will see me for my next appointment, which will either be hair or nails on Friday. Or I might get a pedicure Thursday. We'll figure that out. I don't know yet. Okay, so hey guys, as you can see, I currently took out my hair. Like I just took it out, so please don't do too much. Don't do too much. But I'm actually doing some skincare right now because my skin is really bad. I'm trying to get it together for a Saturday. It's currently Thursday night. I just got home. Well, I didn't just get home from practice, but the only thing I did today was practice. And school tomorrow is Friday, the day before prom, and I have most of my appointments now. I just have my hair appointment and nails and toes. And I was thinking about getting a wax, but I think I'm just too scared. So I think I don't know if I'm gonna wax myself or what I'm gonna do. But I don't have no appointment for that. I don't even have a nail appointment. I'm just going to a nail spot. But okay, we're gonna do this black mask, and I'm gonna do some like that little clay mask, and then we're gonna call it a day. Because the skin, at this point, it is what it is going to give what it's going to give. But anyways, you see the lashes. You see the lashes. But yeah, so hair appointment tomorrow. And I got to wash my hair tomorrow morning, so I'll show y'all when I do that. But that's the only thing we have for Thursday. So skin, and then good night. Okay, good morning guys. So now I'm about to wash my hair. It's like 9:30 and my appointment is at 1:15. But I gotta wash and blow dry. And I didn't go to school, so I still have like some school to do. But yeah, so we're gonna knock it out, wash my hair, you know, detangle, condition, shampoo, all that great stuff. I love stylists that wash. Wow, it's early guys. I love stylists that wash and like, you know, do your hair, but they don't really have that, you know, these days. Especially for the people who do it in styles, they just want to slap that glue in your head, baby. They don't want to do all that. So, you know, I'm just gonna wash this hair and get into it. So I'll be back. I'm not showing y'all my hair wash. You know what I mean? I'll show it maybe blow dry. Oh, I don't feel like blow drying this hair. I'll be here all day. But let's get started. It's Friday, day before prom, period. Alright guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair and it's like 12 o'clock now, so I'm about to like start actually getting ready because I told y'all she was trying to get me to come at an earlier time, so I guess I'm gonna try to go like be early just in case. And she's not far. Oh Lord Jesus, my head. She's like 20 minutes 18 minutes away from me, so it ain't far at all. But one thing I didn't mention was your appointment outfit needs to like, you gotta like, I don't dress up, but I have to put myself in something that I know when I get my hair done I'm gonna feel like I feel cute in already. So I normally like to do a BBL jacket or like you know those muscle shirts, like those always make me feel like, but I can't find my muscle shirts, so I think I'm wearing my BBL jacket that actually is not even mine, that I stole from my friend. But I didn't steal it from her. She loves me enough to give it to me. But I think I'm gonna wear that and some regular Crocs. No, I'm wearing my bubble slides and some shirts. And we're gonna call it a day. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready for that. And then we're gonna go to the hair appointment. I need to start some more TikTok. So it's all coming together, y'all. And I finally got my nail inspo. And I know where I'm going. It can be getting it together. Like I'm getting it together because basically it's literally tomorrow. Oh my gosh. So I just finished getting my nails done and toes. They put up, but I love these. I wanted to get my man's initials, but she didn't have little stickers or whatever, so I didn't get it. But he know I love him. Not just playing. But I got black toes, and my mama got her toes done too, y'all. She was in there falling asleep, like, girl. But that's all I have today, honestly. I don't know no eyebrows. I'm not even doing makeup tomorrow. So I'm prom ready. We go to prom right now. We go to prom right now. But that's all I have to do. I'm in the restroom and I'm feeling myself. I'm gonna take some pictures or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like up close and whatnot. But you know, and then that's it. I don't have like, I wish I had more to do, but like I'm very simple, very basic. So that's all. But my friend gonna curl my hair tomorrow because my curls are already falling, y'all. But you see it. And then yeah, we're gonna meet up at my friend's house tomorrow, so y'all get to see some of that too, but not really because this is a maintenance vlog. It's not the vlog. So honestly, this is kind of it. But I might do some more stuff. So if not, y'all will get an outro at least. Now I'm at H-E-B. About to get started. Okay guys, I just realized I didn't finish my vlog once again. So, but this is once again a maintenance, like a maintenance vlog, prom edition. Maintenance vlog, prom edition. That's what it is. Right now I'm actually trying on some, ooh, my floor is a mess. Don't mind that. I'm about to clean up. But I'm trying on some outfits that I'm gonna have for over the weekend. But y'all saw me get ready for prom. Hair did, lashes did, nails did, toes did. You know, I should have taken out when I got my dress altered too. Totally forgot about that. But y'all got to see the whole process. I know it's not a lot because I don't do much. Like, I'm not doing my makeup tomorrow. I told y'all this. This is it. Like, this is all I do. All I need is me some bust down, you know, some lashes or something else, and I'll be alright. But that's all for the vlog, for the maintenance vlog. And then the next, what I'm about to start is the prom vlog. You know what I'm saying? No maintenance, just the prom. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see me get ready for the prom, go to the prom, leave the prom, party for the, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm not even gonna be partying, y'all. It's not gonna be that interesting. But still watch, because it's me. It's okay. It's okay. Still watch. But yeah, that's what's gonna be the next video. So make sure that you watch this and then watch that. And it's gonna be amazing because it's me and I'm vlogging and I'm back with these vlogs, okay? Because y'all gonna get like 3 of them. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share with your friends.